Hello everyone. My name is Krish Pingradia and my ID number is 24DCA007. Today I am talk about remote control devices. This presentation explores the evolution of remote control devices in digital electronics from their humble beginnings to their role in the modern content world. In this presentation, we are talking about introduction to digital remote control devices, are digital remote controls works, key features of digital remote control devices, advantages of using that, popular application, and comparing digital versus traditional remote controls. Digital remote control device have resolutions the way we interact with electronics appliance. This device allow user to control TV, sound system, and other gadgets from a distance without the need of physical interaction. With the transition from analog to digital technology, these remotes have become more efficient, reliable, and user often featuring enhanced capabilities such as touchscreen interface and customized. The mechanism behind remote functionality. In infrared communication, radio frequency technology, Bluetooth, and Wi Fi connectivity. Most digital remote controls initialize infrared signals to communicate with device. When a button is pressed, the remote emits specific frequently IR line, which is received by the devices. This method allows for quick and effective transition of command over short distance. Some advanced remotes are radio frequency technology, enabling them to operate from greater distance and thought obstacle like walls. RF remotes such as those using 2.4 GHz frequency provide better range and flexibility compared to traditional IR remotes. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. Recent innovations have introduced Bluetooth and Wi-Fi functionalization in remote controls for integration with smartphones and apps, further enhancing user experience by enabling conversation connected device from a single interface. Digital remote controls come equipped with various features that enhance their usability and convince common features including programmable buttons, which allow customization for frequently used functions. Touchscreen display provide intuitive navigation, while backlight enhance visibility in low light conditions. Furthermore, some remotes offer voice control capabilities, enabling hand-free operation for a more accessible our experience. Let's talk about benefits of modern remote controls devices. Enhanced functionality. Digital remote provide greater functionality through features like macros and programmable settings. This allow user to create a sequence of commands, specifying control over multiple devices. For example, one button can turn on the TV and adjust the volume and switch inputs currently. Increased range and flexibility with the adoption of RF and wireless technologies. Digital remotes operate over longer distance and even through barriers. This flexibility means users can control devices from anywhere with their home, enhancing convenience. User-friendly interfaces. Digital remote controls often features intuitive layout and touchscreen interfaces, making them easier to use than traditional remotes. User can navigate menus and operation with simple taps or sweeps, trimming to the user's experience. Thank Digital remotes are most useful home entertainment system and smartphone management. Digital remote controls are extensively used in home theaters, enabling seamless or operation of televisions, audio system, and streaming devices. This enhances the viewing experience, allow for quick adjustment with physical interest. With the rise of smart home technology, digital remote facilitates the controls of various devices, such as lights, thermostats, and security system. User can manage their home environment effortlessly, promoting convenience and energy efficiency. What's next for digital remotes? Interaction with artificial intelligence. The future of remote control technology may see greater interaction with artificial intelligence, enabling smarter device interaction. Remotes could learn user preference, making automated suggestion for shows, volumes, and device settings. Voice command innovations. As voice activated technology advances, we may see more remotes equipped with sophisticated voice recognition capability. User may control their device using natural language, simplification, interaction even further. Expanded device ecosystem. As smart home become more prevalent, digital remotes will likely involve to control a broader array of devices, including IoT gadgets. This growth will enhance user experience by providing centralized control of all home technology. Common issue and troubleshooting. Prevent remote control challenges, battery problems, connectivity issues, interface from other device, software update and compatibility. One of the most common issues faced with the digital remotes is battery damage. Always ensure your remote has fresh batteries and issue priest. Try replacing them to see it performs improve. Sometimes remotes may lose connectivity with device, especially those using RF or Bluetooth. Try resetting the remote and the devices and ensure they are within the recommended range of optimal functionality. Other electronic device might cause interface with signals. If your remote is unresponsive, test it in a different environment to rule out signal interface as the issue. Ensure your device are updated and compatible with the remote you are using. Digital remote controls provide versatile and convenient solution for modern home electronics. Their enhanced functionality and compatibility with multiple devices make them indispensable in contemporary settings. A bright future ahead. As a technology advances, digital remotes will continue to evolve, incorporating new features that enhance user experience. Early remote controls like wire and ultrasonic. The earliest remote used wires, limits range and creating a tangle of cables. Ultrasonic remotes use sound waves but face challenges with reliability and noise interference. Infrared remote controls dominate the consumer electronic landscape for decades. Use invisible infrared light to transmit signals, require line of sight and limited range. Radio frequency remote controls. Advantage of radio frequency remote control is longer range, no line of sight needed, two-way communications, garage doors, smart home devices, and drones. Infrared remotes work in signal encoding. Transmitters and module infrared light. Receiver detect and decoding infrared signals. Microcontroller interpreted decode signals. Radio frequency remotes works wireless communication. Transmitter encodes data information into radio waves. Receiver demodulates and interprets RF signals. Protocols like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, Zigbee ensure secure communication. Remote controls is very useful in smart homes. Interact with smart home hubs for centralized control. Voice control using smart speakers allow for hand-free operations. Protocols like Zigbee and Z-Waves optimize the power consumption. Security consideration like hacking and jamming. Infrared remotes are susceptible to signal interception and replay attacks. Radio frequency remote can be vulnerable to jamming and man-in-the-middle attacks. Security measures like encryption and secure pairing protocol help mitigate this risk. Future trends like gesture and voice control. Cameras and sensor detect hand movements. Voice control, natural language processing enables emulation interaction. Applications augmented reality, virtual reality, automotive. Evolution and impact of remote control devices. Remote control have dramatically changed how we interact with digital electronics, involving from simplified devices to complex control interfaces. The future holds the exciting possibilities for gesture and voice control, enhanced security, and seamless integration with emerging technologies. Thank you for your attention. Please.